Hey guys, it's Vince over at CG Vinyl Studio, and right now we are printing on our clear substrate. Now this vinyl substrate is totally different in the sense that it is completely transparent for those of you that are looking at performing more of a close contour cut but not so worried about the bleed. And what I mean to say is these allow you to really stay as wide as you'd like, because again, the outside of wherever there is no color printed, you're able to cut and put these on virtually anything with a much thicker border. This is really good if you're doing a lot of graphics that require exterior usage applications. So if you're doing stuff outside where you're heavy exposure to moisture, these would definitely be the absolute best way to go under that circumstance. Another good option with these is when you're dealing with, you want the paint or the color underneath these images to show through. That really adds a lot of depth. It makes it more look like a paint job, so to speak, as far as instead of a typical graphic application. Now, I particularly like to have the graphics still cut very close as far as contour cut, and of course these are over laminated once again with 3M 8518. But again, you can definitely see here the gloss on this. Now this of course is coming direct out of the Epson, against, just so everybody knows, SureColor P7000, and you can see the color depth that you get on this substrate. Now you'll get this color depth, we've seen the same color depth from everything from a Canon Pixma Pro 100 to basically every HP model out so far. It's really just a matter of you fine-tuning whatever settings you're using as far as your ICC profile. If you have to, like I said, under most circumstances that's not required, but you can definitely see here the quality of the substrate as far as clarity. Now keep in mind as well, once you remove these, as far as remove the backing, you can see how clear they are. Once you remove the backing, things get a little fuzzy until they're applied to the substrate you're going to apply them. But as far as colors, you can definitely see these hold up really well, and unless you see it firsthand. Again, the yellows, you can see the red, and you're all set. Once again, printer's doing its job real well. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on this substrate, please don't be afraid to ask Joanna or I. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. But again, clear vinyl substrate has a multitude of applications. Really cool for labels, really cool for graphics. These are drift decals right here we're doing, and it works extremely well. It laminates very easy. It's a very smooth application type substrate. So thank you all for your support. Take care.